How are you guys? Today is October 15, 2025. Time check, 2:46 p.m. here in Pacific Northwest. And my son and I are on our way to Chicago, Illinois. We're on our way to the airport in Seattle-Tacoma Airport. And we will be attending the AU Convention 2025 in Chicago, Illinois at 4 Points Sheraton by Sheraton. And I will be covering some events. I have my camera and I'll be interviewing some fanciers, and hopefully that we'll meet some people that are willing to be interviewed. And also I will be introducing the RPMB project, the Racing Pigeons for Military Veterans, to the fanciers that will be attending, so that they will be aware about our effort in helping the veterans as they're using the pigeons and the racing pigeon in general, or pigeon hobby in general, I should say, as an emotional support leash. Okay guys, I'll be keeping you posted about our journey, our travel trip to Chicago, Illinois. And it's my son Anthony will be attending also the convention.